How to connect Instagram to Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram, so tap on the account center option you see there and then tap on the profiles option. Further, tap on the add accounts option and select the add Facebook account option you see there. You will then be required to choose your Facebook account, so go ahead and tap on the continue button if you are led to your Facebook account, and if not, then tap on the Not You option and then enter the login credentials for your account. You will further be required to select your birth date for verification, so go ahead and select your actual birth date and then tap on the Allow and Finish Adding button you see there. With this, it will take a few moments for Facebook and Instagram to get connected to each other, and you might also be required to enter the verification code sent to your Gmail. So go ahead and enter the Facebook verification code sent to your Gmail and then tap on the continue button, and with this, your account will be connected. So this is how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.